Did you know that if you're texting someone who speaks a different language, you can translate whatever you're texting in real time using the Gboard app? Yeah, it works really seamlessly, and it was very helpful for me when I was in Ukraine because I had to text people who spoke Russian and I did not want to go back and forth between applications. You know what? Let me just show you how to do this.
All right, my sincere apology first goes to Google for not giving them the credit at the initial time. In the first video I did, I had said that this is possible only with WhatsApp, supposing that I was able to do it because I had WhatsApp. But in this case, whether you have WhatsApp or not, you can still do it. In fact, you can type notes in a different language, I mean in a foreign language that you know nothing about. You can also send SMS in a different language you know nothing about. Let's go to notes. I think that will help. So this is my notepad. I select here, new text. Now see this, I click on here. Can you see translate? So even though it's not WhatsApp, it's coming out. This is English. I can select any language at all, but let me leave it at English. Of course, you can scroll like this to keep searching for the language you're looking for, okay? But let me keep it at English. Then here is French. Let me put it to Igbo for now. But as well, you can select any language you want. Remember, this is not even SMS. This is not even WhatsApp. It's just notes. You can even copy from here and paste anywhere. So you have a video you have done, and probably you are sharing it with people in a different country that speak French or Spanish or speak any other language. You can use this to get your words together and then send it in their language. Okay, so let me type, good morning, sir. In Igbo, it will mean Ụtụtụ ọma, sir. Good morning, sir. Can you see Ụtụtụ ọma, sir? Can you see it up there? Let me turn this to Yoruba and see what it gives us, or to French first. Can you see bonjour, something, something? Then Yoruba, Kaaro, sir. Yes, I know a little of Yoruba from my experience in youth service in Ogun State, okay? Kaaro. Another one is a Kaaro. I think Kaaro is for elderly people. I don't know again, sorry. But I know there's Kaaro and there's a Kaaro. I know one is for older people. The other one is for a younger person. In fact, that's one of the beautiful things I love about the Yoruba people. They have greetings for everybody. So even if an older person meets a younger person, the person can easily begin to greet without thinking this is a younger person. Let's return to what we are doing. Okay, so this is my notepad. I'm using it to say good morning, and I can keep on writing any other thing I want to write. Let me say I haven't been able to call because of network issues. Okay, so this is in Yoruba. So if you read Yoruba, you'll be able to understand that. Let me put it to Igbo now. Nse ụtụtụ ọma, sir. Enweghị m ike ịkpọ n'ihi nsogbu network. It's just amazing, okay? So this is what you do. If you go to your WhatsApp, for instance, you can as well begin to do the same. Let me select the WhatsApp here. Once you go, so it's not about WhatsApp, it's about what I'm about to show you now. So you do the same thing. If you go to your SMS, the same thing. So what do? If you're an iPhone user, go to Apple Store. If you are an Android user, go to Play Store, the Play Store. Okay, let me go to the Play Store because that's what I'm using. So what you need to do is to simply search, download, and install Gboard. I got to know that Gboard is a keyboard from Google. It works for all devices, whether Android or iOS, iPhone. So here my own needs to be updated, so I need to just update it. But in your own case, just install it. So this is what it looks like, Gboard. Once you download or install it, go through the settings and try to make it your default keyboard, okay, for your phone or for your mobile device. Once that is done, you go ahead and type and send messages, even replies. You can send replies, okay? How do you do replies? Check the other video I dropped here to see how you can easily reply the person if the person sends you a message in that same language that you don't understand. So you see a video I just dropped. I have about 3 videos now on this, but this one might be the last because I need not to explain anything again on this matter. Whether you are an Android user, an iPhone user, this has to serve you. This should serve you, okay? So go to Google Play Store if you're an Android user, or go to Apple stores if you're an iPhone user, and download Gboard, owned by Google. Now, Google is not paying me for this, so this is a free advert for them. I'm not being paid for this, but I have to do it because I know it will help you, maybe in your business transactions or in any other legitimate thing you are into. If you like this, do subscribe or follow me for more.